I was gonna say thanks for the encouragement, but I can't say.
I have nothing! What do you want me to do? He buried me! Why would you do that? I have no abilities.
I wasn't expecting you to go straight for a melee, just keep attacking.
Okay, you're catching up actually.
I've overtaken.
Once again, I don't have cooldowns. I don't know what you want me to do here.
Really, just remove the cooldown.
Oh, fucking.
Nice.
I'm currently trying to crash out my course mates too, but I think they're asleep.
Oh.
At this time? What are you guys in kindergarten? Fake college students, man.
Man, they actually have decent sleep schedules. Some of them.
Posers.
So I will be back in 1 sec. I'm just gonna go get a drink.
So Cactus went for to get a drink, but he hasn't came back yet, so I'm assuming he's going all the way to the pub for it.
Well, hopefully his drink wasn't milk.
What?
Actually, babe, do you want to come downstairs and try the tequila?
No.
Oh, it's a way of work day, sorry.
So I will come down and steal this.
Surely that's just more of a reason to have it.
Oh man, I need to talk to people and do IT problems. I can't.
Why?
Get back to sleep.
How long was he dead for before I joined?
Like 10 minutes.
Damn.
I don't think it was 10 minutes.
Yeah, anyway, this fucking hypocrite goes, no, I can't drink tequila before work tomorrow, and then he takes a sip.
And it's just a sip. It's not going to destroy my liver.
But this is a shot-sized tequila drink. A sip is all there is.
Yeah, well, I didn't drink all of it.
Ugh. I didn't
Only
shake it
bars.
either, so it tastes like shit.
I'm wondering if it's worth going into another game.
My bad.
Speak of the devil, I guess.
You know how microwaves work, right? Where they won't start unless you shut the door fully.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
So I turned the microwave on, I put like the time and everything. I shut the door, or so I thought, fully, and then went to the toilet, and then came back. And then sat there waiting to hear the beep.
Cactus. What the fuck?
What drink
didn't
were you
hear the beep.
microwaving is my question.
Yeah. Cactus, can you explain to me what should it even mean?
Chicken, that's what it means right now.
Yeah, but okay.
Yeah, we were conspiring if you'd went out and tried to get ingredients for a martini or something.
No, I always have those in hand.
Fair enough.
It shouldn't have taken you that long if you already had them then.
It wouldn't have taken me that long to make it anyway.
How long
I
are you
have-
staring at a microwave?
I wasn't. I'm sitting like with my back like facing towards it.
No.
So I
And
thought, oh,
you didn't hear any humming, nothing, and you're like, that's fine.
you see, I'm going slightly deaf probably. I can't hear the humming anyway.
Did you not think to check on it after
No,
like?
no, I checked on it after like 5 minutes. I'd also like got to see what my parents were doing. They're watching Have I Got News for You and kind of got sidetracked by that as well.
Did you never have that canon event in your childhood where you were cooking something and you left it to cook and then you came back and it was on fire?
Not on fire,
No.
no, but it was. I melted bacon.
I tried. I
Oh,
was
yeah.
like.
I ended up
think
melting a plastic pot in the microwave once.
I tried to make cake in a pan when I was like 8. So I put it on the stove, and it was on the stove while I was watching Treasure Planet. And then in the middle of the opening sequence, it started catching on fire, and I was like, "Why is there smoke in the house?" Ooh, the tequila is hitting me.
What's wrong with it?
You gotta consider I just woke up from a nap, had nothing to fucking eat, and had a Red Bull and sugar.
Oh shit! Oh fuck! Oh shit!
The bumper. Oh, Rhino, you are.
Running is the correct answer. Not anymore.
Damn. They took his legs.
Hey
I used
Rhino,
What?
have you heard about the new update?
No, I haven't. What's it about?
It's the new dementia update.
Damn.
Yeah.
Damn. What? So what happens during that update?
You get dementia.
Damn. Wait, why'd you get dementia?
Wait, did you hear there's a new update?
This-
I don't know, whenever I remember about it.
Remember what?
I don't know what we're talking about.
I don't know, but have you heard about the dementia update?
Oh my god, no, I haven't.
Yeah, you should really check it out.
Yeah, what's it about?
So it's like a new update where you can like lose your memories.
Oh. Whoa.
Oh my god, I can't
Man,
play this game.
They couldn't have gone far.
Sorry, what was that?
Have you heard of the new dementia update?
Oh my god, no.
No, what's it about?
No.
They took out Mina.
You've already lost your mind?
No, yeah. I forgot.
There's something called the dementia update. Have you heard of it?
No, I haven't. Wow.
It's an update where you forget your memory, I think.
Oh.
It's
Okay.
like playing Destiny.
That's not food.
Get called out, fuckers.
Wow, sounds like you have a vendetta against our playstyle.
Me? No. I'm good.
Got me over there.
Oh, I don't think you'll make it in time to save my life. Yep, no, I'm dead.
I just turn around and he falls over.
Man. I'm so sad.
How did you die? Cactus, how did you die?
I don't know. I was on 6 health. and Hayes just like killed me.
Wraith and Paradox were coming from that lane.
And?
She has 10-4.
I see.
Yeah, I've been. Yeah, but those 4 deaths are from me. And those 10 kills are from me. I don't see the problem there.
Cheers.
Let's go mid.
I was watching you, like, I thought you were so gonna get in there.
Yeah, so did I, but my team abandoned me. I don't know.
They were pushing up. I think they just lost track.
What are these guys waffling about?
I have no idea.
We need to make a stand and stop them. In time, I will be made whole again. We took them out.
I don't know why Bebop thought he can just face tank me, but okay.